Breaking news. CCTV captures. Terrifying 7.6 quake-shaking Japanese newsroom. New CCTV footage shows the exact moment the 7.6 magnitude. Earthquake struck on December 8, 2025, rocking the Aomori Asahi newsroom with violent jolts, swaying lights and staff rushing for cover. According to the Brics News, the powerful tremor triggered immediate evacuations, but no casualties reported in the broadcast center. Is this a sign of progress or a potential flashpoint? Share your view.
まだ揺れてる。やばいやばい。これ震度6強とか7いってるよ。
津波注意報が発表されました。海岸付近の方は注意してください。